Welcome to Reviewsinside Today, we're checking out the Bissell SurfaceSense Allergen Liftoff Pet Upright Vacuum. With its unique features, this vacuum promises to make cleaning easier and more efficient, especially for pet owners and allergy sufferers. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and see if it's truly the all-in-one solution for your cleaning needs. The Bissell SurfaceSense Allergen Liftoff Pet Upright Vacuum offers a range of features designed to tackle everything from embedded dirt in carpets to pet hair on hard floors. At the heart of this vacuum is its SurfaceSense technology, which automatically adjusts the brush roll to optimize cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. This means you don't need to fiddle with settings every time you move between different surfaces. An intuitive design that adds convenience to your daily cleaning routine. It also boasts a Tangle-Free Multi-Surface Brush Roll, specifically designed to prevent hair from tangling, which is a common issue for pet owners. If you've ever spent too much time unwinding hair from your vacuum's brush roll, you'll appreciate this feature. Another standout feature is the liftoff technology, which allows the vacuum to easily convert from a powerful, upright vacuum to a portable, handheld canister. This feature is especially helpful for cleaning stairs, upholstery, and other tricky spots that can be hard to reach with a traditional upright. The portability makes this vacuum versatile for different cleaning tasks around the home. When it comes to performance, the Bissell SurfaceSense vacuum does not disappoint. It boasts a sealed HEPA allergen system that's particularly beneficial for those with allergies or asthma. This filtration system helps trap and contain dust, dirt, and pet dander, ensuring that nothing escapes back into the air you breathe. If you're someone who struggles with seasonal allergies or is constantly battling pet hair, this could be a game changer. The LED headlights are another nifty touch, especially for cleaning under furniture or in dark corners. It illuminates hidden dirt and pet hair, ensuring you never miss a spot. As for the vacuum's suction power, it performs admirably on both carpets and hard floors, thanks to the SurfaceSense technology that automatically adjusts to each surface type. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on hardwood or deeply embedded debris in your carpet, this vacuum's powerful suction does a great job of lifting it all. In terms of real-world usage, setting up the Bissell SurfaceSense was quick and straightforward. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around the house, and the swivel steering adds to its agility, especially when cleaning around furniture. I tested the vacuum on a variety of surfaces, including low-pile carpet, high-pile rugs, and hard floors. On carpet, it picked up dirt and pet hair without any issues. And on hard floors, it effortlessly picked up dust and crumbs. The liftoff pod was especially handy when cleaning stairs or using it to tackle smaller messes, like pet hair on the couch or dirt in the car. However, it's not without its drawbacks. While the vacuum does an excellent job picking up dirt and debris, the noise level could be a bit loud for some users. It's not the quietest vacuum on the market, which might be a concern if you have small children or pets that are sensitive to noise. Additionally, while the liftoff feature is incredibly convenient, it can feel a bit awkward when you need to switch between the upright and handheld modes. The handheld portion is slightly heavier than expected, so long cleaning sessions may cause some strain on the wrist. On the plus side, the Bissell SurfaceSense vacuum is built to last. The construction feels sturdy, with solid plastic components that are resistant to wear and tear. The sealed HEPA allergen system is easy to maintain, and cleaning the brush roll is a breeze, especially important when dealing with pet hair. The bin capacity is fairly large, meaning you don't have to empty it constantly, but you may need to clean the filters every few months to maintain optimal performance. For those concerned about value for money, the Bissell SurfaceSense offers a solid performance for its price. It competes well against other mid-range vacuums that also target pet owners and allergy sufferers. While it might not have the premium feel of higher-end models, the performance and added features, like the liftoff technology and HEPA filtration, make it a worthwhile investment for those looking for a reliable, versatile vacuum. However, if you need something quieter or lighter, there are other models on the market that might be more suited to your preferences. If we're comparing it to similar vacuums, one alternative in this price range is the Shark Navigator Lift Away, which offers similar functionality with a detachable canister. It has a bit more power, but its filtration system isn't as advanced as the Bissell's sealed HEPA filter. Another competitor is the Dyson Ball Animal 2, which has exceptional suction power and is often recommended for pet owners, but it's at a higher price point, and its filtration system isn't sealed like the Bissell's. If you're primarily concerned with allergy relief and pet hair, the Bissell might offer a better balance between performance and value. When it comes to build quality, the Bissell SurfaceSense is solid. The materials used feel durable, and the design is thoughtful. Everything fits together well, and there's no wobbling or loose parts. Maintenance is also straightforward, with the brush roll and filters easily accessible for cleaning. The lift-off pod feature, while convenient, could use some refinement in terms of its ergonomics, especially when transitioning between modes. Overall, the Bissell SurfaceSense Allergen Lift-Off Pet Upright Vacuum offers a solid performance with some clever features, especially for those who need a vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. The lift-off technology adds a nice level of versatility, and the HEPA filtration is a big bonus for allergy sufferers and pet owners. While it's a bit noisy and the handheld pod could be lighter, it's an excellent option for anyone looking for a multi-surface vacuum with a powerful suction and allergen protection. If you're in the market for a vacuum that can handle a variety of surfaces and tackle pet hair, the Bissell SurfaceSense is definitely worth considering. And remember, every purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation, so you're also giving back to animals in need. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest products. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with this vacuum, especially if you have pets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it clean, both your floors and your decision-making.